Samsung has just released the Galaxy Fold 5, which is the latest 7.6-inch folding phone from Samsung. It has a stunning immersive screen, and all I can think of is PC-style productivity and cinematic viewing whenever you hold this beautiful device. The Fold 5 is 13.4 millimeters in thickness and only 253 grams in weight. And it comes with 1750 nits brightness, so you don't have to worry about direct sunlight ruining your view. And Samsung claims that the new double rail hinge is stronger, more durable, and better than before. The first thing I noticed about the phone is its premium and tough design. It comes with an Armor aluminum frame. Samsung claims up to 73 hours of listening time and up to 21 hours of watch time. As for the internals, the phone comes with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile processor for Galaxy. Samsung claims the GPU has been improved by 32%, NPU by 25%, and the CPU by 18%, which are admirable gains but nothing revolutionary here. However, the main feature in my opinion on this year's phone is the compatibility with the S Pen. Now you can finally write on this beautiful folding device. The main drawback though is that there's no place to house the S Pen on this device. The taskbar holds up to 12 apps at once. As for the cameras, it comes with a 10-megapixel 3x optical zoom telephoto camera, a 50-megapixel wide-angle camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel cover camera, with an abysmal, of course, 4-megapixel under-display camera, if you need it. So, will I switch over to the Galaxy Fold 5? Honestly, no. As much as I'm tempted by this beautiful, gorgeous powerhouse of a device, I still can't switch because of two main reasons. Number one is the camera. The camera on the Galaxy Fold, don't get me bad, it's not that bad. However, it's not as good as the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Galaxy S series has been touted by Samsung as the line for cameras, the Galaxy line for cameras. And as a power user myself, I need the absolute best camera on my phone, and that's for both photos and videos. And the second reason is there's no place to house the S Pen, and that's a big disadvantage for me. Even though Samsung released interesting covers this year that are engraved so that the S Pen can go right inside the cover, but still that is not a solution for me. That is nowhere near as good as the S23 Ultra. However, this device is beautiful for business users and for people that don't demand much from their cameras. Thank you guys for listening, and have a great day.